Hey, welcome to another exciting episode. I don't know if you can actually use that for YouTube channels of Steve M Outdoors. I, of course, am Steve, the titular hero of this channel. And today we've got a unboxing of the Mystery Tackle Box Pro Bass Box. It's like, I don't know, June 22nd today. This is like the latest that I've gotten this box. I'm beginning to wonder if Donald Trump's anti-Canadian trade rhetoric is actually working. At any rate, whatever. So the rules of the game are always the same. I pay for my own boxes. I pre-slit them just so that we can get into this thing a lot faster. And it's an unboxing / review. So I'm looking at this just as you are for the first time. All right, let's do this. Speaking of America first thing I get is an American flag, and it's got fish in the stripes, and it's got looks like fish hooks in the blue field. USA, USA, USA. Super. No offense to my American followers, but I can't really do very much with this. Okay, what's in the box? The Dibble Digest. Always great reading. Oh, we won't look at that because we want it to be a surprise. What's new in the world of the Dibble Digest? Carl Gets a Guest Blogger. Okay, whatever. Swim baits, not just the Cali. I think we all know that already. Thanks. Crankbait fishing. Oh, I'm guessing there's a crankbait in here and a swim bait. Ledge fishing techniques. Cool. Alright, well anyway, put that aside. Yep, top of the box. Oh, Liquid Mayhem fish scent. It's specifically shad scent, made with real shad. I'm sure that the shad appreciate that. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I am not a scent guy. I can get scents all the time in boxes, but I don't particularly use them very often. To be honest with you, I don't see that they really make a difference. That said, I will try it out, so no problems. What do we got here? Oh, I'm thinking this is a topwater. A Lucky Craft. Oh, that's good. It's a nice name. Lucky Craft, and what's it called? I'm not seeing a name anywhere here. Oh, it's called the Archer B. Yeah, so it's like a topwater pencil bait, I'm guessing. And it's in black and yellow. Black, not a common color for topwaters. I mean, outside of frogs, yeah, you see frogs that are black. But most topwaters tend to be, other colors. But, topwaters are great in the dark. And in the dark, black is an awesome color to use. So, this is great. I like it. I like it a lot. Actually, this really fills a hole in my tackle box. The black topwater bait. Super. I love it. Thumbs up. What else we got here? Alright, let's go with this. Biospawn. The Vile Craw. Blue-black flake 4-pack. Let's see what it looks like. If it's the Vile Craw, it better be very vile. Okay, so it's a creature bait. You separate the tail. And hard doing this. Here we are. Interesting. Yeah, I like it. A little slot for the hook. Ah, cool. The Biospawn Vile Craw 4-pack. Sweet. I can work with it. What's next? Alright, let's go with this. The Lucky John Pilot X. Well, it's a crankbait. Lucky John. I think that's an American company. Yeah, it is. Oh, Lucky John USA distributor. I have a feeling that Lucky John isn't actually American, though, because if you look at the front of the box, it's 65 millimeters, 19 grams in weight, and goes down from 0 to 2.5 meters. I don't think too many American tackle companies put their stuff in metric, so I have a feeling that this is Asian. Yeah, there's Asian writing at the top. Anyway, well, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Oh, it's a lovely one, though. It's kind of like, I guess, I don't want to call it a shad pattern, but it's got the, a lot of the colors. It's got that chartreuse, silver, black back. Cool. I like it. It doesn't say what color it is, though. It just calls it the Pilot X. I like it. Good. Not much of a crankbait guy. I've gotten like 20 crankbaits, I think, in the last 3 or 4 months from the various boxes I subscribe to. And none of them have seen water yet. More plastics. Lunker City. Sluggos? Oh my word. I feel like I'm traveling back in time. For those of you who are relatively young, sluggos were like huge, like, I don't know, like 20, 30 years ago. You can kind of consider them to be a swim bait. This one is in June bug, if I remember the box correctly, or the package correctly. So anyway, it's kind of like a swim bait. But instead of some goofball thing at the end, like a paddle tail or something, you basically, it just kind of is like, swims like that. Wow, sluggos. Like when I was a kid, these were huge as plastics back in the 80s and like early 90s, I guess. Wow, I didn't even know they still made sluggos. Cool. Yeah, oh, it's in June bug. Yeah, cool. Sweet. Okay, I like that. You know what? This is one of those unexpected thumbs up bonuses. I like it. Oh, and one more. Oh, wow. Went through this box fast. And we got ourselves an Optimum Baits. Well, yeah, it's a swim bait. Ghost Minnow. Let's see if I can open this without killing myself. Yeah, okay. So there you go. It looks to be about 3 inches, 4 inches. Sorry, I'm a Canadian. We don't use inches up here. I'll put it up against a more white background. So here's your more traditional swim bait. It's got the paddle tail and all that stuff. I like it. No, that's the box. Okay, so you got yourself a swim bait from Yoink Optimum Baits. Okay, good job. The original Sluggo. Love it. Creature baits from Biospawn. Kind of like a craw pattern. You got your Liquid Mayhem. You got your Topwater pencil lure from Lucky Craft. I like that a lot. You got your crankbait. You got your I support Donald Trump flag. I like him. Even if he doesn't like Canada, I do like Donald Trump. There go all my subscribers. And there you go. That's it. Overall, I would rate this box 2 thumbs up. At any rate, if you liked what you saw, as always, please feel free to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, do whatever the hell else it is that people ask you to do on YouTube videos. And below you'll see links to both my Twitter and Facebook pages. Have a great day. Tight lines.